chocolate, strawberries, rose, Frose. Coming into the bar, say, looking good today. It's Valentine's week, wouldn't you believe? You know what's perfect for Valentine's week? How about a little cocktail? And you know you can't have a cocktail without cock. 4 or 5 pretty big strawberries. But you know, we're making this up as we go along. We're improvising. For the chocolate, we've got some cacao. We want that vibrant, seductive red colour. So we're not going to go for the brown cacao. We're not going to go for that. We're going to keep it classic, white cacao. And 2 cocktails will do 60 millilitres. So each one gets 30 each. Also going to add a little bit of sweetness. Everyone likes a little bit of sweetness on Valentine's Day. Ooh. For the good stuff. The rosé. Right. How much we're going to put in there? There's 50. 200. A little extra there. Let's say 31.5 cubes. Then we're just going to blend it up. So, cover your ears. Now to serve it, and I've got just the perfect glass for Valentine's Day. There you go. Cheeky, seductive, romantic. That right there, that is a lady. As elegant as the cocktail we'll be putting in it. Beautiful. Gonna make some orange love hearts. Here's how you do it. Big peel of orange. Chop them into rectangles. If you don't know your shapes, that is a 4-sided shape, similar to a square, but a little bit long. And then through the middle, but not completely to the end. See that? Like a V. Then you get a cocktail stick. And with a little bit of fiddling, you twist that. So it goes through one side, through the back of the peel, through the front of the peel. Basically, you're just putting it into a shape of a love heart. Bit of a wobbly one, that, but it doesn't have to be perfect, does it? Delicious. Valentines. Good for if you've got a partner. If you're single, maybe you've got...
Valentines or Galentines.
Exactly. You're not, oh great for the... Well, hen do. Nothing screams love quite like that, does it?